So in this video, I wanted to take a set of Auger drill bits that I had found at Deseret Industries. It was in the same tool chest as the hand drill that I did in the last video. But before we get going at that, if you haven't already, like and subscribe. I plan on doing more videos like this one in the future and would really love the support as I'm building my channel. Now you can see on this drill bit the rust was extensive. There was several drill bits that I received in this toolbox, and these ones that were in this kit altogether were extremely rusty. Now you can tell that not all the bits are there. This is what came in the set. Really, I started out just by putting them in a bin and soaking them in Evaporust. I did this on a Saturday night and wasn't able to get to them until Monday evening. So they actually sat for 2 days soaking in the Evaporust. I've been really impressed with how the Evaporust works. It's been great. It really takes away all the rust, kind of leaves this funny slimy residue when it's done. It's non-toxic, but what I like about it is that it leaves this patina on the metal when it's done. It leaves this nice look on these bits. As you see, once I get them all cleaned off, dried up, ready to go, I polished them up a bit with some steel wool, and I really like the patina that was left. The rust had left a lot of pitting on the bits, which really doesn't affect their functionality. They should work just fine. I debated whether or not I wanted to polish these up all really nice, but I kind of like this look. Really, it's a matter of just cleaning these bits up, getting that rust off, and my goal is to turn them into bits that I can actually use. Now going through these bits each individually with the steel wool really helped to clean up kind of the residue and some of the remaining bits of debris from the rust. Cleaned them up really good. I also took a brass wire brush to them to help clean up some of the crevices on the bits. This helped quite a bit. Again, it was tedious, but still not too bad. It was pretty easy just rolling the bit along the bench as I cleaned them up. With each of the bits also, I went ahead and tried to sharpen them up. I just took a small metal file and ran it along the edges to clean them up as best I could. I didn't really go any further than just sharpening them with the file, and it seemed to do a just fine job, sufficient. Here I took that one bit that I just showed you and tested it out. Really, that's all it took to clean these up. It was a nice quick project, and I'm really happy with the result. I really like taking these old tools and giving them new life. And really, that's what this channel's all about. I really like taking old things and giving them new life, and encourage you guys to do the same. Here you can see the before. And the after. And again, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to like the video. Share with me your thoughts about what you thought about how I did with my restoration, and maybe how you do it different.